Have you ever wondered why your furnace pilot light keeps flickering out, leaving you in the cold? Well, it could be a faulty thermocouple, that tiny safety hero in your gas heating system. Welcome to PartsHnC. In this video, we'll discuss how to troubleshoot a Lennox standing pilot furnace thermocouple step by step. A furnace thermocouple is a small safety component crucial for gas heating systems. It detects the pilot flame's presence, producing a small electrical signal to keep the gas valve open when heated. In many classic standing pilot models, if the flame extinguishes, the signal stops and the valve closes to prevent gas leaks. Faulty thermocouples cause common ignition issues, like a pilot that won't stay lit or a furnace that shuts off immediately after starting. To troubleshoot, first turn off the gas supply and electrical power to your furnace for safety. Locate the thermocouple near the pilot burner assembly. On most Lennox models, its tip must be positioned directly in the flame. If it is bent or misaligned, reposition it carefully. Inspect the tip for dirt, soot, or corrosion, which frequently hinders heat transfer in older Lennox furnaces. Clean it gently with fine sandpaper or steel wool, then restore gas and relight the pilot to see if the issue is resolved. If your furnace pilot still fails to stay lit, it's time for a multimeter test. Set your meter to millivolts. A healthy thermocouple should read between 20 and 30 millivolts when heated. If your reading is significantly lower, the part has failed. For a permanent fix, you should install a compatible replacement thermocouple. Once installed, relight the pilot and verify a steady flame and normal heating cycle for safe operation. For genuine Lennox furnace parts, visit the PartsHnC website to find exactly what your system needs. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest for daily updates. Thanks for watching.